Hey, this is John and Parita doing our videos here in Makati, Philippines. And we are still in the greenbelt malls 1 through 5. And here again are plenty of restaurants and lots of outdoor seating that's really amazing and beautiful. And the foliage is amazing. The people are so kind, and there's just so much to see. And there's just so much to do. And there's lots of different kinds of foods and shopping and seating, and it's all outdoors or indoors. It's really amazing and really wonderful, and we're glad that we can bring these videos to you and share our experience as we travel around the Philippines. I mean, we're just getting started. We have been in Manila, and we've been here in Makati, and again, like I said, we're just getting started. And so hit the like button and hit subscribe, and that way you can find our other videos that we've already posted, and then also you can be notified of other videos that we will post. So thank you again for joining us. We love you, and God bless you.